guys, what's up? Jai Hind everyone. This is Ananya, your master teacher at Vedantu for social science. How are you all? Okay. So people, if you are new to this channel, first of all, let me welcome you guys to the family of Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. All right? Yeah. So people, what I'm going to teach you in this particular session, let me tell you guys. In this session, guys, I'm going to start with a new chapter that is natural vegetation. And in this one short video, I'm going to cover the entire chapter that is natural vegetation. So before I tell you what I'm going to teach you in this particular chapter, let's understand the meaning of natural vegetation. In simple words, natural vegetation means the plants which are grown without the help of humans. Okay? So the plants which are grown without humans, simple as that. That is natural vegetation. Okay. Guys, in this chapter, I'm going to teach you about the importance of forest, the types of vegetation, its distribution, its correlation with the environment, and the forest conservation. Yes. So these are the things I'm going to teach you in this particular video. All right. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, the total forest cover in our country is 69.09 million hectares. That is 22% of the total geographical area of our country. Okay. The target for the National Forest Policy is 33.3%. Means according to National Forest Policy Act, the area under forest should be 33.3%, but it is only 22%. Now, how forests are important? Let's understand. First of all, it's a renewable source of energy. Yes. Secondly, it reduces pollution, it maintains humidity, and it's also purify airs. Guys, how it will purify air? Guys, it's very simple. They purify air by increasing the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. It's a source of timber, fruits, flowers, fuel. It prevents soil erosion. It provides home to a variety of wild animals. Yes, and also the bird species and also the insects. Okay. Now, guys, let's have a look on the types of vegetation. Guys, there are total 5 types of vegetation I am going to teach you in this particular video. Tropical evergreen, tropical desert, tropical deciduous monsoon forest, mountain forest, and littoral forest. Okay, so these are the 5 types of vegetation I am going to teach you in this particular video. Okay, let's start from the very first one, tropical evergreen forest. Okay, people, first of all, let's understand what is the meaning of tropical. Next, tropical term uh, comes from the zone in which it is there, like tropical zone. It comes from the name of the zone. Like our Earth is divided into 3 major zones: tropical, temperate, and polar. Because these evergreen forests are located in tropical zone, that is why it is known as tropical evergreen forest. Okay, guys, you should know that tropical zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So the climate which is required, which is needed for tropical evergreen forest is, it requires a temperature between 25 to 27 degrees Celsius and more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. In India, in which areas it is found? Let's have a look. Guys, tropical evergreen forests are found on the western parts of the Western Ghats, like the parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, the eastern Himalayas also. Like how? Guys, why in the western parts of Western Ghats? Because the western coastal plain is receives orographic rainfall, also known as relief rainfall. All right. Secondly, northeast India, may you will find in Lushai Hills, Khasi Hills, Jainta Hills, Garo Hills, Assam Hills, and also Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Guys, it is also found on the altitude ranging from 500 meters to 1500 meters on the windward side of the Western Ghats. All right, guys, why Western Coastal Plain is known as the windward side? Because the southwestern monsoon winds, which comes from Arabian Sea branch, it gets obstructed by the Western Ghats. As it gets obstructed by the Western Ghats, it gives rise to orographic rainfall, also known as relief rainfall. Okay, yeah. Let's understand some more features of this tropical evergreen forest. Guys, they are also known as rainforest. Why? As they are found in the areas of heavy rainfall. Secondly, they are characterized by climbers and epiphytes. Now, guys, what are epiphytes? Any plant that grows upon another plant or object for the physical support. So, those are known as epiphytes. All right. Like bamboo and ferns are also common. They do not shed their leaves and remains evergreen. Hence, they are called tropical evergreen forest. Unlike deciduous forest, which shed their leaves once in a year, like for a period of 6 to 8 months. Yeah, I will be telling more about the deciduous forest later in this particular video. All right. Now, let's have a look on tropical deciduous forest. Guys, tropical deciduous monsoon forest records a climate, the temperature range between 24 to 27 degrees Celsius and the rainfall between 150 to 200 centimeter. The areas in which it is found in the belt running along the western ghats, surrounding the belt of evergreen forest, both on eastern and western slopes. That's like, you should know one important fact that India, the maximum area of India is occupied by deciduous forest. Yes, because majority of the part of India receives moderate amount of rainfall between 150 to 200 centimeter. The second belt of deciduous forests run along the Shivalik ranges in the north and Chota Nagpur plateau near to Jharkhand. States like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and parts of Andaman and Nicobar Island. In these areas also you will find deciduous forest. Okay, let's have a look on the features. Already said you about one of the feature. They shed their leaves once in a year for like 6 to 8 weeks. Okay. Um, Forest of the north temperate zone shed their leaves in autumn season. All right, now guys, what is autumn season? The season of the year which comes between summer and winter. Okay, so it is important economically as they yield valuable timber and several other forest products. Okay, they occupy much larger area than the evergreen forest. As I told you guys already that in India, more maximum area is under deciduous forest. Deciduous monsoon forests have trees found in pure stand. Now, guys, what is the meaning of pure stand? Trees of single species. Okay. So, people, I hope you understood the topic till now. Okay. So, guys, before I move ahead with the next species of forest, let me tell you guys about our pro subscription. So, guys, if you are new to Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel, and if you are not aware, so let me tell you guys, not only on YouTube, but you guys can take our pro subscription also. Now, what are the advantages of taking our pro subscription? Let me tell you. First of all, guys, Vedantu is giving you a promise. The promises of improvement means it says that it is a money back guarantee promise. Means if you took our long term batches for entire year, and let's say if the improvement doesn't takes place as per your expectations, so whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you without asking any question. So guys, this is the promise Vedantu gives you. All right. Not only this, guys, there are many other features like unlimited live classes. Now, guys, what are unlimited live classes? Guys, on YouTube, you will find a blend of like live as well as pre-made session. Over there, every session is going to be live. And while you attend those live sessions, you actually attend high level quizzes as well. So, like after every 5 to 10 minutes, we take quizzes. And while you participate in these sessions, you are actually competing with the students throughout the world because students in Vedantu are not only from India, they are from different countries as well. Yes. Now, what next? If you miss out the session due to any reason, like maybe due to power cut, maybe due to like poor connectivity, or if you guys are busy in some family function, family event, you can watch the replays. How many times? N number of times, whenever you want. You can even participate in the quiz. You can even find your name on the leaderboard. How you guys can do this, I will show you guys. I will show you, don't worry. Okay. You can also even download the notes. The notes are made by your master teachers. So all the notes you guys can download. All the notes you can download. Now, the most important thing. What about doubts? You will have a book question, sir. So what about doubts? On YouTube, it is very difficult for you guys to ask doubts to your master teachers. But over there, guys, you can ask unlimited doubts. And not only during the session, but after the session also. You will get a doubts app. In doubts app, you can ask doubts after the session also. Yes, tests will be taken, assignments will be given to you. All these things you will not find on YouTube. Then you will be having an access to micro courses and crash courses. People, what are micro courses? Guys, micro courses are topic specific courses. Means what does it say is, let's take an example. If you want to attend any particular topic of one subject, okay, you can attend topic specific courses. Crash courses are revision courses. People, these micro courses and crash courses are available to the other students as well who have not taken up a pro subscription, but they have to separately buy these micro courses and crash courses, which is going to be absolutely free and unlimited for you. Guys, are you getting it? These are the advantages you will be getting in our pro subscription. So it's very simple, guys. How to avail all these advantages? Guys, there is a link in the description box. I will show you how you can take our pro subscription. Use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off on all our plans. How you can do this? It's very simple, guys. Like, let me show you. This is one of my video on YouTube. All right, this is one of my video on YouTube. Natural disaster. Okay, yeah. So this is one of my video, guys. What you can do, just go to show more. You will find subscribe to Vedantu's courses now. Okay, just click over here. Once you click over here, guys, you will be redirected to our website. Okay, guys, you just have to select the class. Like you are in class 10th, your target exam is grade 10th ICSE. Just click on this. You can see the plans: Pro Light, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. What is the difference between these three? People, whatever benefits, like what are benefits I said you till now, like live interactive classes, test series, assignments, doubt solving during the session, replays, you can download the notes, everything is available in our Pro Lite. So what is there in Pro Classic? You will get a doubts app on mobile. Means after the session also you can ask the doubts. Now, if you want a personal mentor, means one-on-one attention, one-on-one guidance, if you want, you can take our plus subscription. Guys, whatever plan, like according to your pocket, according to your need, you can choose any of the plan. And guys, let me tell you first of all, the price which you can see, this is the actual price, guys. For entire year, by the way, still it is very less, but it is for entire year. Now, one best part is, you can also try it for 1 month for 2,600. Means you can get all these advantages in 2,600 for 1 month. Now, one more benefit for you guys is like, you can apply my coupon code as ADPRO. ADPRO. Once you apply, the code will be applied and you will get flat 10% off on all our plans. Simple as that. Acha, how you can download the notes? Guys, once you take our pro subscription, you will get such kind of dashboard. You just have to go to a past sessions, click over here, and you can see the replays. Like for example, if I click over here. All right, Kumara, thank you so much. Bye, take care. Okay, so this is how we take the quizzes. This is how we take the live sessions. So, all right, you can watch the replays. You can download the notes. Just click over here, get notes. You can even download the notes. All right, so guys, everything is available. You can download the notes from here. Plain and simple. So guys, these are the advantages. By the way, guys, there is one more thing. It's like, first of all, the fees is very, very less. And secondly, you are getting a promise. I already said you about the promise. Third thing, guys, you will be getting an access to micro courses and crash courses also. Means if you actually calculate, the more number of sessions you will attend, the lesser the price for every lecture will come. Yes. With that, we are giving a promise. Means after taking our long-term batches, if you feel the progress is not as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you without asking any question. But people, we need a small commitment. You have to attend minimum 75% of the live classes, and whatever tests are given to you, you have to attend minimum 75%. If you give us such promise, then we will promise you. In case the improvement doesn't take place as per your expectations, whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you. Guys, these are our batches which are already started. Soon there are many batches which are going to start. Link in the description box. Use my code ADPRO to get flat 10% off. Alright. Chalo. Let's move ahead, guys, with the next one. Let's have a look on tropical desert forest. Alright. So guys, the climate which is required for desert forest is, I hope you got to know about the term tropical already. Guys, desert and semi-desert vegetation is found in the areas of average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall of less than 25 centimeters just. Okay, in which areas you will find? These are found in Kutch, Saurashtra, it is a part of Gujarat, southwest Punjab, Rajasthan, and dry parts of the Deccan Plateau. That is the rain shadowy regions of Deccan Plateau. What are the features, guys? Plants have very thick leaves or no leaves. Very thin leaves, I'm so sorry, or no leaves. Their stems and leaves are often covered by sharp spines, which are known as thorns. Okay? Guys, they have very long roots. Yes. Why? To draw water as the rainfall is very scarce, and thick fleshy stems to store water during the drought season. Yes. Next one, littoral forest. Guys, littoral forest, let's understand where you will get this forest. Guys, they are also known as tidal forest. It covers in and around the deltas with average temperature of about 26 to 29 degrees Celsius with heavy rainfall. Now, people try to understand the tidal forest occurs in and around deltas. Guys, what are delta? Guys, delta is a landform which is formed due to the depositional work done by the rivers at the mouth. All right. Okay. And it records a very heavy rainfall of more than 200 centimeters. Where you will find this type of forest? Delta regions, estuaries. Deltas you will find in the eastern coastal plain. Estuaries you will find in the western coastal plain, and creeks, and are prone to tidal influence. Guys, they are found in areas flooded by tides. These types of trees can survive in fresh and brackish water also, okay, which consist of salt areas and the states. Guys, it occupies a larger area of about 21,000 square kilometer in Sundarbans. Guys, where is Sundarban? Sundarban is a part in West Bengal and Bangladesh, alright, which is formed due to the deposition work done by two major rivers, River Indus and River Brahmaputra. Okay, and they are also found in the eastern coast like Mahanadi Delta, Godavari, Krishna, and Andaman and Nicobar Island also. Alright, as I told you guys, mostly you will find tidal forests or deltas in the eastern coastal plain due to the deposition work done by the rivers at the mouth. Guys, they are also found in the western region also, because in western regions you will find estuaries. Features. Guys, characterized by breathing roots. So they have breathing roots or pneumatophores. Pneumatophores, yes. Okay. So they are also like okay. So guys, they are characterized by breathing roots or pneumatophores, which acts as a respiratory organ. Yes. Okay. So wherein they can exchange the gases. All right. Stilt-like roots submerged under water. Now, what are stilt-like roots? Let me show you. Guys, these are stilt-like roots. All right. So stilt-like roots submerged underwater and helps the plant to survive in shifting mud of the coastal region. These forests are very, very dense. Mountain forest. Okay, obviously found in higher altitudes. Where these forests are found in the areas of average temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius or cool areas at an altitude of 1500 meters to 3300 meters. So it is found at higher altitudes. They occur in the areas getting rainfall between 150 to 250 centimeter. In which areas you will find? In the north, they occur in the temperate zone of the Himalayas from Kashmir to Assam at varying altitudes. From Kashmir to Assam. Yes. In the south, they are found in Nilgiris and Anaimalai hills at an elevation between 1000 to 1500 meters. What are the features? Mountain forest consists of mixed deciduous as well as coniferous forest. So it has both deciduous as well as coniferous forest. They occur in the transition zone of mixed forest and coniferous forest. Now, as I told you guys, forest conservation is very important, guys. Now, guys, the latest reports of the National Remote Sensing Agency indicates that the country is losing about 1.3 million hectares of forest cover every year. Yes. Hence, the urgent need for its conservation of the forest comes into the picture. So, where the government of India has introduced a program of forest conservation. Under this, let's understand what the government is doing. Preventive Act on destruction of forest, various research programs to prevent various diseases of trees, promoting biosphere forest to save the extinction of wildlife. As I told you guys, wildlife is totally dependent upon like forest. To protect both trees and species, several forest regions have been declared as reserved forest. So guys, reserved forest cannot be exploited by anyone until and unless special permission is given to them. Planting more trees for development of environmental forestry to maintain ecological balance. Okay. So guys, Forest Development Corporation has been established for taking care of forest products and developing new forest. Okay. To protect forest from fire, a strip of land between the two sections of the forest is cleared to prevent the spread of fire. Alright, so guys, what happens, like forest fire is very common, okay, and spreads like wildfire. So to avoid this, what can be done? To protect forest from fire, a strip of the land between the two sections of the forest is cleared so that the forest fire should not spread. Okay. Okay. To get sustained yield of timber, silviculture has been practiced. Now, guys, what is silviculture? Guys, it is basically controlling the establishment, the growth of the forest, the health of the forest, to have a good quality of forest and woodland. Okay, so that is silviculture, guys, controlling the establishment, growth, health of the forest, quality of the forest and the woodland, so that we can get good quality of timber. Afforestation is the establishment of forest or stand of trees in an area where there was no previous tree cover. So what is afforestation? Planting of trees wherein there was no previous tree cover. Okay. On the other hand, what is reforestation? Sometimes students get confused between afforestation and reforestation. Guys, in reforestation is a process of putting new trees in the ground in an area where trees used to grow. Okay. Social forestry is a management and protection of forest and afforestation of barren and deforested land with the purpose of helping environmental, social and rural development. And what is farm forestry? Guys, farm forestry means growing trees on farmlands for commercial purpose like timber production or for variety of non-commercial purpose like groundwater control, prevention of the soil erosion, prevention of pollution, polluting nutrients in the soil. So these are the steps which can be taken for the conservation of forest. Simple as that. So people, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If yes, do let me know, guys, in the comment section. And guys, this is our Telegram group. The link is there in the description box. You guys can be a part of this Telegram group. All right. And guys, if you really want to take our pro subscription, the link is there in the description box. You can use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.